My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will discuss an important and life-changing topic. The comfort of this world depends on faith. This is a subject that shakes our hearts and minds and invites us to reflect deeply on our lives. So, let us begin. The comfort of this world and the importance of faith. There is a profound connection between faith and the world. Neither can the world prosper without faith, nor can the practical application of faith exist without the world. Worldly resources and means can be acquired, but true peace of heart and genuine comfort can only be attained through faith. This is a satanic deception that the world can remain prosperous and peaceful even without faith. The essence of Zuhd, detachment. Zuhd means detachment from the world and the heart being free of its love. When the love of this world takes root in the heart, the love of Allah cannot find its place. The Messenger of Allah said, "The love of this world is the root of every sin." Kanz al-Amal, Hadith number 6114. Worldly love draws us towards sins, such as theft, immorality, and other crimes. All these stem from worldly desires. Living in the world while remaining free from its love. Maulana Rumi explains this with a beautiful analogy. Water beneath a boat keeps it afloat, but if water enters the boat, it will sink. Similarly, having the world around us is acceptable, but if the love of the world enters our hearts, it will destroy us. True love is reserved for Allah alone. This heart has been created by Allah in such a way that it can hold true love for only one being. The Prophet Muhammad said, "If I were to take someone as my beloved friend, it would have been Abu Bakr, but my ultimate beloved is Allah alone." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 362. Balancing worldly needs and the love of faith. It is essential to understand that fulfilling worldly needs is not against faith. The Prophet and his heirs teach us to live in the world, but not to let it occupy our hearts. Hazrat Majub beautifully said, "I live in the world, but I am not its seeker. I have passed through the marketplace, but I am not a buyer." My dear brothers and sisters, remove the love of this world from your hearts and make room for the love of Allah. Utilize worldly resources for your life, but do not let them take over your hearts. May Allah grant us the ability to adopt the noble quality of Zuhd. Ameen.